I am here in my bird hide and today we shall discuss the 7 tips to follow in a bird hide photography. These tips would apply to a jungle safari as well, but they are more specific to a bird hide photography. So tip number 1, observe the bird. Take your time. Immediately when it lands, do not start shooting. Be careful not to intimidate him by sudden burst. Tip number 2, take your position. Although this bird hide is, I think it is 12 feet wide, I can move from here to there, but no, I have taken my position. Stick to it. Do not move in your bird hide here and there. Just because you are in a bird hide does not mean that bird cannot sense you. They may not be able to see you, but they can always sense the movement. The noise of your shutter, the movement of your camera, all these things can be sensed and they can be intimidated. So take your position and do not move around. This also applies to a jungle safari. Whenever you are going for a jungle safari, you stick to one position in a gypsy. Let the events unfold before you from that particular angle. Tip number 3, adjust your camera parameters beforehand. Whenever you are sitting in a bird hide, you have a constant position. The light is changing, but it is not changing that fast. So if you are using an aperture priority or a shutter priority, set your camera parameters. Say for example, you want a picture control of a particular type like a standard or a vivid or a landscape, something like that, whatever. You adjust it beforehand. Once the bird arrives, concentrate on the art rather than worrying about your technical parameters. Tip number 4, composition is the key to make or break any image. So compose properly. It is not essential always to shoot in a horizontal mode or so-called landscape mode. Depending on the subject, you can always shoot in a vertical mode as well. So experiment with different orientations, horizontal as well as vertical. Then tip number 5, explore different parameters, different settings, sometimes fast shutter speed, slow shutter speed to reveal the motion, sometimes increased depth of field with reduced aperture size, or sometimes to blur out the background, a reduced f number, that is increased aperture size. So experiment with all these parameters and you will get something really different. Then tip number 6, use prop. Like dancers, they use prop while dancing. They use some umbrellas or some handkerchiefs or something like that. In photography also, use that natural elements as a prop. I have kept some stones on the edge of the bird pond. Now that particular stones or some vegetations here and there can be used as a prop, can be used as a complementary factor to your original subject. So use that particular prop or a natural element to enhance the composition aspect of your photograph. Now tip number 7, be patient. Just because you are in a bird hide and the birds are in front of you doesn't mean that you will be shooting all the time. If you are relaxed, birds also will be relaxed and you have a better chances of getting a stunning image. I hope these 7 tips will help you in improving your bird hide photography. Thank you very much and keep exploring.